Hi everyone, another puzzle, Huzzle, cast dot, level 2 of 6, so fairly easy, and this is the box it comes in. This is before and this is after. You've got to take the dots apart. And it's made of ZDC, zinc. This is a puzzle made by a Japanese company called Hanayama. So let's unbox it and get to work. That's what it looks like. Metal. So that's how it comes out the box. Pretty object again. Black metal and silver metal, a combination, 2 pieces. And you have to take it apart. Okay, I'll show you the answer. So this is 2 metal objects linked together, nice and flat, and you've got to take them apart. If you don't want to know the answer, look away now. Okay, so it's a 5-point process to solve this puzzle. First of all, you want to look for this sort of anchor shape, really, isn't it? The 2 black lines like that. You want that on the bottom. The chrome coloured one has it, and the black coloured one has it. So you turn those on the bottom. Then you want to look for this shape with the black square like that. So this is the key. Look, if you look at this ball, so you turn it 90 degrees. You turn it 90 degrees. You want to move this black shape up over there. So you turn it 90 degrees, push it up a bit and then over, like that. Then you're going to turn the whole puzzle 90 degrees, and you're going to flip the black one this way. Then you can turn it like that, and believe it or not, this bit actually passes through there, and that's how to undo the 2 pieces. Okay, so to put them back together again, you want the black arrow portion bottom left and the chrome one top right, like that. You hold them like that, and then you put this ball into there and twist, and you join them together like that. I'll do it again. Twist. Once they're on, you want to push it up and over like that. Up and over. Push it up and push through there, and then it turns. So you push it up, you push it over there and then turn. Then you can flip it this way and there. They're locked together. That's how you do it. It's quite complicated, so I'll show you again. Remember this black part? That's how to undo it. Okay, just to show you again how to join them. So you want to hold them like this, with the black one, the bar at the top, Chrome one's got the bar at the bottom. Black one, the anchor thing is pointing that way, right to left. Chrome one is pointing left to right. Now you're going to join them there, and then keep the black one holding it still. You join them and bring the chrome one down. Okay, you join and bring the chrome one down, and then push the black one through and flip it. Now you're nearly there. You bend that way and there. So it's difficult because it takes a lot of rotations. I'll do it again. So you join them, chrome one down, push through, bend, there. To undo it, turn 90 degrees, lift it up and push it over, flip this way, back through, and unlink there. Okay, link, down, over there, push through, then flip over, turn 90 degrees this way, and move it along a bit. So that's how to do it. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you later.